Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an RN here at Whitmer Rejuvenation Clinic. Today we're going to go over subcutaneous injections. When you receive your package, you will receive one of two syringes. You have one syringe here. This is your insulin syringe. It's a 31 gauge, 5/16 inch needle. Or you might receive this 1 mil, 27 gauge, half-inch needle. The difference between the two, let's see here. Your TB 27 gauge syringe has the markings 0.1 to 1.0. The insulin syringe is in units. So for example, if you do receive the insulin syringe here and your dose is 0.3, you're going to draw up your syringe to 30 units. If your dose is 0.5, you're going to draw up your dose to 50 units. When you're injecting, you're going to inject subcutaneously, which means into the fat layer that is in between your skin and your muscle. The most common place to inject would be about 2 inches to the side, either side of your navel.